In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to rows in Smartsheet. Team Discussion 2026. First, head to smartsheet.com. Use any modern browser and sign in to your account. If your organization uses single sign-on, choose that option. Otherwise, click Sign In and enter your credentials. This takes just a moment. After you're in, you'll land on the homepage. Here you'll see your recent items, favorites, and anything that's been shared with you. We want to open the exact sheet where the discussion will happen. If you already see the sheet in recent, you can open it from there. If not, open Workspaces on the left, choose All Workspaces, then select the specific workspace your team uses. Inside that workspace, click the sheet you want to work on. This keeps you in the right place, especially if you collaborate across multiple projects. Now that the sheet is open, look to the right side of the screen for the Conversations panel. If you don't see it, look for the speech bubble icon and click it to expand the panel. Conversations is where discussions live, and it's important because it keeps context tied directly to your work. Next, make sure you're adding your message to a row, not to the whole sheet. Click the row you want to discuss so it's highlighted. In the Conversations panel, confirm it shows row at the top. That tells you your comment will be attached to this specific row, which is perfect for task-by-task collaboration. Type your comment in the message box and post it. Keep it clear and actionable, so teammates immediately know what you need. If it helps, reference key cells from the row so people understand the context without hunting around the sheet. You can also mention teammates to draw attention to the update and keep the conversation moving quickly. That's it. By navigating to the correct workspace and sheet, opening the Conversations panel, and ensuring your message is set to row, you keep every discussion anchored to the exact item it belongs to. This makes team discussions cleaner, decisions easier to track, and handoffs much smoother. Quick recap. Open Smartsheet, sign in, locate your sheet through your workspace, open the Conversations panel, select the row and add your comment. Follow these steps anytime you need to capture feedback or coordinate next actions at the row level.